Hello. Everybody makes a lot of these videos. I just want to share a few things. This is a killshot system. I bought it from ACES. It's going on a 68 Camaro, which I'll show you in a minute. Very nice. Well packaged. Instructions. Actually decals. Key ring. There's a throttle body. Very good looking piece. Very well made. All plug and play. I'll show you in a second why I'm really enamored with this thing. Screen, a little bit bigger. Maybe it's hard to tell, but that screen is a little bit bigger than normally I get with the Hollies or the other systems. Wiring harness. O2 sensor, very nice. Wiring harness. Just a terrific job, like all the other ones are. Okay? Comes with all the connectors for the MSD. Firewall feed through if that's what you choose. All the mounting hardware. I bought this O2 bung. There's a weld-in one. If you don't like this one, it comes with another one. You can do the clamp-on. I'm not a big clamp-on fan. These are ones I buy, all machined, 18 millimeter, welded on. Something happens, got a plug for it. Nice deal, simple. It comes with an O2 bung, but this is a real heavy duty one. That's why I jump over to that. But here's the reason I buy this system. ECU, 32-bit. Much better than all the other ones I've used. And the thing I like about this one most, this unit mounts on the firewall. It'll mount to the front radiator support, even mounted inside. There's enough wires. It's a very nice system. Okay? So that's why I like this one about the best. Process is a little faster. Cleaner. Yes, it comes with a temperature sender for water. This is the #1 reason I went with this system. Then I found something else pleasantly later on. Okay? The guys that build this system couldn't be any politer or any nicer or any more informative. I've used plenty of Hollies. I've done Fuel Tech. I've done, oh gosh, I go back with Holtec back in '89 where I first started. Axtel stuff was really nice. This is absolutely the most user-friendly one I think I've seen. User-friendly meaning you put it in, it works, it does what it's supposed to do. The Holly stuff, I've run into some problems, and I understand why. It's all about production. It's all about getting stuff done. It's all about getting it out the door. And because there's so much production, it seems like some of the quality falls down. Okay? There really are, as an installer, it's only a problem for me because I have to explain it to customers, and customers spend hard-earned money and don't necessarily get 100% of what they think they need. All right? And you have to make them understand what they're buying. And, you know, they're spending hard-earned money, and they don't want to understand that. Then the second problem I have is you talk to the tech guys online, the FIs, the Hollies. They're so rushed. There's so many phone calls. There's so many problems. They're just overwhelmed. They're very informative, very knowledgeable. But to get an answer and not have to go on hold for a million years, go on for a long period of time, it's just frustrating. This is a better, cleaner, nicer system. I couldn't recommend it any higher. I couldn't recommend the guys at ACES any higher. All I can tell you is if you want to buy a system, you can buy it from me, or if you want to deal directly with the ACES guys, they are just really terrific to deal with. So, if you want to give me a call, I'm here. If not, call the ACES guys. You'll be very happy with this system. Thank you for watching. And again, this is the absolute simplest system they got. They have some other stuff that's even nicer with CDI and timing built in and all sorts of other stuff. But this was as simple and as clean a system as you get. No, it's not all burdened down, before I forget. It's not all burdened down with price, with inexpensive fuel pumps or fuel pumps and fuel system. This is just the computer, the screen, the throttle body, and the harness. The fuel system is up to you. They offer that, but I usually buy this system, and lately I've been going to most in-tank pumps. I find they work better and it's a cleaner installation. All right? So I think you'll be very happy with this. Again, you can call me, you can call the ACES guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Thank you again.